So after seeing the period of conical pendulum, we will see some numericals based on conical pendulum. See the question. A stone of mass 1 kg. A stone of mass 1 kg whirled in a horizontal circle whirled in a horizontal circle whirled in a horizontal circle attached at the end of attached at the end of 1 meter long string. 1 meter long string. Full stop. If the string makes an angle of 30 degree, if the string makes an angle of 30 degree with the vertical, then calculate or then find number 1 period, number 7 centripetal force. Number 1 calculate period and centripetal force. Okay, we have given that is G is equal to 9.8 meters per second. Okay, another important thing I want to tell you that what is the numerical, what is the question. First of all, what is given in the question that we have to write. So let us consider. First of all, we have to write down given. What is given? A stone of mass, that is mass m is equal to 1 kilogram. Whirled, that is circulated in a horizontal circle at the end of 1 meter long, length L is equal to 1 meter. If the string makes an angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Find the period, that is capital T question mark. Centripetal force, that is F question mark. We have G is equal to 9.8 meter per second. Why we have to write given? Because ऐसा मेरा अपना मानना है कि गिवन में ही प्रॉब्लम का जीवन छुपा हुआ होता है. हाउ वी हैव द T, L, M, F, G. About pendulum, we know that period of a pendulum that is T is equal to 2 pi under L cos theta upon G. Just we have calculated, that is T is equal to 2 pi under L cos theta by D. Put the values here. T is equal to pi 3.14. L length of string 1. Cos theta, that is cos 30. G, that is 9.8 or parallel family. Okay, so T is equal to this. When we multiply these two factors, it becomes 6.28. What is cos 30? Natural cosine. Cos 30 is 1.732 upon 9.8. Okay, so T is equal to 6.28. Now, how will we solve this square root 1.732 upon 9.8? First of all, we have to see the log of 1.732. Then log of 9.8. Subtract the log from numerator to denominator. Okay. then cut it by 2. Why? Because it is in square root. After cancelling it, see its antilog, and that antilog is nothing but 0.297. How we got this? Square root of 1.732 upon 9.8, log of 1.732, log of 9.8, subtract. Whatever value we get, cancel it by 2 because it is in square root. After cancelling by 2, see the antilog, that is equal to 0.297. Now see log of both these things, find out its antilog, and that is equal to finally t is equal to 1.868 second. Okay, this is a general formula or general answer for Kirchhoff pendulum. Another thing, what is asked? Centripetal force. Another thing, that is centripetal force, that is F is equal to mv square upon r is equal to mg tan theta. You can write centripetal force F is equal to mv square by r, or that is always equal to mg tan theta. How it is mg tan theta? Because we know that v is equal to under root rg tan theta. Yesterday we have seen, the day before yesterday, the speed of a vehicle. So put the values here. F is equal to mass m 1 g 9.8 tan theta, that is tan 30 degree. So F is equal to 9.8 multiplied by 9.8 into, now tan theta, see in natural time, in natural tan the value of 30. Okay, just like here. Then what we have to, whatever value we get of natural tan, once again just like this one, take the log of both things, add it, see the antilog, finally same thing we get here, see the log of both these things, do the addition and find the antilog, and that is equal to F is equal to force 5.68 Newton. That's okay. Watch it carefully. I will give the same things just by changing the values. Okay, try it yourself. First watch it.